today we're gonna chat about something I know has been driving a lot of us crazy, and that is keeping up with social media content, especially reels. Trust me, I've been in the trenches with you, and let me tell you, it's been a wild ride. Creating reels daily felt like climbing Mount Everest. Yes, impossible. I kept changing strategies and consistency went out the window. But guys, don't worry, you are my friend. Yes, you are my friend, and I am here to help you with that problem. So in this video, I'm sharing what I've learned about Reels and the AI tool that have saved my sanity, as well as the platform I think is best for beginners with less time on their hands like me and you. Hi guys, I'm Raquel, and I sell PLR templates on instantrights.com, and I also provide you all the tools you need that will help you with your digital business. So guys, let's get real about social media marketing. You know how experts always say focus on 1 to 2 platforms? Yeah, well, even that kicked my butt at first. I chose 2 platforms at the start, and that nearly fried my brain. Okay, so guys, when it comes to picking a platform, basically it's best to just start with 1 platform. I know it sounds crazy, but trust me on this. It's all about finding what works for you and your audience. And let me tell you, not all platforms are created equal when it comes to making our lives easier. All right, we'll get to that. Okay guys, so when it comes to picking your platform, I basically started with TikTok and Instagram. So Pinterest is a great long-term addition, but scheduling pins can be a time suck. I'm telling you, trust me, I'm still figuring out Pinterest. Okay, so my advice is start with 1 platform and choose wisely. So which platform is best? Let's break it down. Okay guys, you're probably hearing a lot of noise like thunder outside. We are preparing for a hurricane here on my island. Okay, so pray for me and my people. Okay guys, so during that journey, I basically hit a wall when it comes to TikTok scheduling. Yeah, so creating and scheduling videos in advance is a dream, but on TikTok it's like pulling teeth. I can't be glued to an app all day hitting posts. No. Okay, so I basically did some research to see how I can easily schedule with TikTok, and I came across a TikTok app on the desktop, and basically you can schedule. However, you cannot add music, like trendy music, using that desktop app. Okay, so if you want the music, you'll have to add that, create everything on the phone, and send it to your laptop or your computer, and then schedule it. You see how much work you have to do? It's too much. Okay, so tools like Metricool can help with the scheduling, but there's got to be a better way, right? So it was too complicated with scheduling for TikTok. So let us look at Instagram. So basically, you can create reels and schedule directly on the platform. So no third-party app is needed for that. Plus, I've also noticed that certain video styles perform better on Instagram, like these videos with AI voices. So videos with my own voiceover tend to do much better on TikTok. Okay, so how to create content without losing your mind. So here's my secret weapon, guys, and that is, well, you guys know I love AI, so of course we have ChatGPT, and I also use Gemini. So basically I will just ask any one of these apps for ideas, and boom, right, as you can see on the screen, content for days. And hey, when you're just starting out, aim for at least 2 to 3 posts a day. Yes, it will definitely help. I know it sounds like a lot, but I've got a trick for that too. So you want to listen on. Okay, so let us look at how you can create 2 to 3 videos per day without burning out. And the first app that I use is Canva. Ever heard of Canva's bulk create feature? Yes, it's a game changer, guys. So if you want me to spill the beans on how to use it, drop bulk create in the comment below, okay? And I can create a video in detail on that. So guys, we all have to make AI our best friend. I'm about to blow your mind right now. So there's this tool called Fliki.ai, and it's like having a personal video creation team. It turns text into videos, does voiceovers in a ton of languages, and get this, you can even clone your own voice. Let me show you guys, all right? Okay, guys, so this is Fliki, all right? And today I will just show you briefly how to create a video using Fliki. So this basically is the home page. All you have to do is click on new file. So when you click on new file, you can basically enter the name of the video you'll be creating and the language, the dialect, right? And it has these countries that you can choose from. It's basically missing some countries because, of course, it doesn't have the Caribbean islands. But yeah, it have these. You can start off with those. And of course, you can choose the aspect ratio of the video you'd like to create. And you can basically choose what you would like to start with. So you can start with a script, a blog, or a PowerPoint, and it will create a video out of this. Okay. Our aim here is to create a very simple video. Okay, so let me insert the name of the video. So I will put in one to start an online business. I will click on submit. Now I will insert my script here. Okay, so basically you can start with an idea, right? You can probably type in the idea here, or you can work with a script, or you can take a blog article and insert the link, a PowerPoint, you can upload the PowerPoint and take it from there, or tweet, or if you have a product page, you can create something here for you. Okay, so let us start with our script because that is what we already have. So I will paste in my script, and as you can see, this is a very short script, so we will work with that. So below here, you can choose whether you want to work with a stock video or images, and over here, this one here, you can choose whether you will want to supplement. I'm assuming it's to supplement the stock images because you cannot deselect this. You must select something, and you have to select the type of image. Right, so moving on from here, you have templates. So you can select any template from here. Okay, so I will just use this one, or you know what, I'll just choose this one. Okay, branding, I already inserted my brand details. I will show you where you can insert that later. So I have instant rights here, and over here you can insert sound effects. I really like the sound effects, and from here you submit. Okay guys, so now that we have our video created for us automatically, you can use it like that, but I like to personalize it. So I will remove the audio because in order to be seen on Instagram, you should probably use the trending audio on the platform or TikToks, whichever. So I will delete the audio here. Okay, there's an error here. So I will fix this error here. Okay, and of course there are so many little designs on this. I usually just click and delete, but you can leave this if you want. Right, the voiceover. Okay guys, so I basically cloned my voice. Yes, you can clone your voice, and I actually cloned my voice, and I will use my clone okay, the clone of my voice. So I will use that. Usually I really don't like using the text over, right? So I will just delete. So I will delete the text over. Great. And I will just click on this and just move it off the screen. I just move it anywhere. Okay, so these are for, the little details on the video, right? So you can leave this or remove it if you like, okay? all you have to do is click on the video to and go into the stock library, or you can import your video from here. You can use AI to generate, and if there are favorites, you can add your favorites here for easy reach. So let us go back here. Want to start an online business. Okay, so let us hear how this looks.
Want to start an online business, but don't know what.
Okay, so basically, I think we need to change this, right? We can use this person here. Okay, so on this video, you can further make some customization with effects. You can zoom, you can blur, you can do all these things here. Okay, so you can animate or not, right? Yeah, so we have this part. Okay, next, let us click on the scene 2, and I will further make some changes here. Okay, so as you can see, AI really didn't get it perfect because the video is showing a house, or the picture is showing a house. So it says wonderful house of simple luxury. So let us delete that definitely. Right, so let us go into media and find something that is more appropriate. Okay, so I will choose this. I also saved it. So in order to save it to favorite, all you have to do is click on the star, right? So we will use this one. Just by clicking on it, it will insert. Okay, so now I'll go to scene 2, our PLR templates. So basically, we will remove this, right? And I will insert our PLR template. So I will have to re-upload these videos, okay? Okay, so we have our videos, and I will just select one and work with that one. Right, so we have our PLR stuff here, ebook planners, and so we have another video that we will, just go in and use. Sorry. So I have this one here, just use that. Yeah, your success story starts here, success. So I will choose a stock image that will reflect success. Okay, so I quickly selected something here. So I asked for a woman happily working from home. Okay, we can use this one, right? So we have that one, and let us click on the scene. Remember, I don't like the text over, so I will remove all of these. Okay, so some more customization I will do is remove this, all the little elements around there because I don't like it. So I'll just go ahead and remove it, remove the shape. Okay, so everything is removed from here, and I will go ahead and see how nice and clean this is looking. So I will go ahead and just remove the other details, okay, from the other videos. I'll get back to you. A quick tip here is that you can simply click on delete here, and just scroll down and click on apply all scenes. So it will delete everything automatically from the other scenes as well. Okay, and I would also like to show you something. So if there is volume on the audio, you can control it just by ensuring this is selected, the media or the video is selected, and you go over to this side here where you can increase and decrease and increase the volume of the video. Okay, you guys, I want to make a little change with one of the videos here. I don't like how this is looking. As you can see, everything is not showing up. So what I will do, just go back in and choose another video. Okay, so it seemed like that's how it is showing. Oh, there you go. So all you have to do is click and drag across. So now I can see the person properly. So okay, so all you have to do is click and drag. Click this and drag up, drag down. Okay, so guys, hey, we figured it out. Okay guys, so there's a solution. Right, so moving on, I don't like how my voice is sounding. Listen to this.
And our PLR templates are your answer. Ebooks, planners, journals, and more.
Okay, this doesn't sound like me. I don't like it, so I will change the voice. So I've changed the voice, and I also want to add captions. So I'll go ahead and do that. In order to add captions, you have to ensure that the voice section area here is selected. Then you scroll over on the other side and click on subtitles. You scroll down and you click on apply all scenes, and the captions should be visible. Okay, let us try it out.
But don't know where to begin. Our PLR templates are your answer.
Okay, so that's the caption here. Okay, so you can leave the caption as is, or you can further make changes right here. You can click bubble, stroke, fill, you can change color, and let's put something bright and apply all scenes. Okay, and this is how it is looking. You can do stroke, or you can do bubble, or okay, there's background. So you can do background, and let's apply all scene. So I think I like this one, but we may have to change the text here. But anyway, you can play around with this as much as you can. So the background color, you can change this to fit. You can also, as you can see, insert your hex code here to get your brand color. Apply to all scene. And there you go. So let us look at the entire video.
Want to start an online business, but don't know where to begin? Our PLR templates are your answer. Ebooks, planners, journals, and more. Your success story starts here.
Okay guys, so you can further create customization by adding scenes at the bottom, right? So you can add a new scene, or you can auto generate one with AI. And right here, you can add a call to action, ask them to comment or DM something. So you can send them something, or you can send them the link. This is basically it. And you go over here you click on download to download your video in whatever format you wish, right? Okay, so guys, I want to show you how you create your voice cloning, right? In case you're interested, you can go over to accounts and go to voice cloning, and here you will have to go through a process where you read something, and then basically it will walk you through the process, and this is it. This is how you create your video using Fliki. Okay guys, so if you are fed up with the social media hamster wheel where you constantly have to be creating reels and posting reels, I would like to invite you to probably try Fliki. Right now they have a summer special going on where you can get 50% off your monthly fee. Okay, so guys, it's a good opportunity to just get into the app and see if you like it. So guys, the code is right on the screen, the link is below. Okay, let me know if you like it. So guys, trying to juggle multiple platforms, it's tough. Different content works best on different platforms, and don't even get me started on that scheduling struggle on TikTok. Okay, so certain video styles get more traction on TikTok, right? Such as tutorials with my voiceover without my face, and faceless videos with AI voiceover. I think personally does better on Instagram. Okay, so that is I'm just telling you this based on my statistics and the views that I've gotten on TikTok and Instagram. And guys, you should also know that Instagram also integrates with Pinterest. Basically, when you post on Instagram, it will go to Pinterest. So it is like hitting two birds with one stone. So for all these reasons that I've mentioned above, I am going all in with Instagram. It's user-friendly, scheduling is a breeze, and connecting your Pinterest account definitely is a bonus. Okay guys, so that's a lowdown on what I've learned so far. So use those AI tools to make your life easier, and don't be afraid to switch things up if something's not working. All right, so guys, want to see more AI magic for your marketing? I've got another video that will knock your socks off. Okay, so check this video out right here.